Now, an antenna array, we are told, is a group of two or more antennas that are integrated to provide coverage. And they operate together to do what's beamforming. Now, one great example might be if you were, out in, well, that's not exactly the picture I wanted to show you here. My birth town is this city called Seattle, and they have this strange thing there called the Space Needle. But even though the Space Needle is not designed for this function, I'm just using it as an example, that we could have an antenna aiming in one direction, put another antenna to aim another direction, and they work together, but again, they're covering more areas, but it just makes more sense by also having the somewhat directional quality of those antenna arrays. Most often, if I could have drawn the British Telecom tower, fortunately I had a chance to do some work with British Telecom, but what you see on this tower is you see these dishes all over the place, and surprisingly, they actually don't do anything anymore. But you still look at it. I don't know if it's an eyesore or not, but because of the elevation and the multiple antennas, they were able to broadcast, like TV shows and frequencies all to the different parts of London. And they work together to broadcast that same signal.